going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'm going to make my own banana bread recipe. So let's go and I'll show you how. Okay, I'll just get my apron on. Alright, for starters I have the oven on 180 degrees to preheat, and I'm going to get the bowl, and it's got 120 grams of softened butter, and I'm just going to mix it a little bit to soften it. Then I'm going to get a cup of brown sugar that I have here. I'm going to put it in and mix it, and I'm going to cream it together till it's all combined. Mixing, mixing, mixing. So it's all mixed in and all combined like that. So now it's all creamed and combined together. I'm now going to add the eggs one at a time, and I've got 2 eggs. One egg in, and I'll mix that. Because you don't want to add both eggs in, because it will be hard to mix together if they're both in. So you want to combine one at a time. Okay, now that's combined, we add the next egg. And you mix that till it's all combined. Now I'm going to add the mashed bananas. They're overripe bananas. I've got 4 small bananas in here. You can also freeze the bananas if you don't want to use them for something then, and you can also use them for shakes and smoothies. So I'm just going to add the bananas in, and I'm going to fold the bananas in like that. Folding them in. I'm going to add now a teaspoon of vanilla essence, some maple syrup, just a splash, and I'm also going to add 1/3 of a cup of golden syrup. Alright, and fold that in. Right. So it's all mixed together and nice. Now I have my flour. I have 2 cups of flour. I also in here have 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm going to sift it in my old style sifter. Just chuck it in like that. Sift it in there. Turn the handle. Shake it if you want. Right, till it's all come in. Now we're going to fold it. You don't want to over mix it because you don't want the banana bread to go too tough. We just mix it in there till it's combined. Alright, so that's all done. Now I have my tin, my loaf tin for banana bread. I've sprayed it. You could also line it, or you can use butter and rub butter in it so it doesn't stick. So now we're going to pour it all in. Get every little skerrick out. I'll just get a scraper. We don't want to miss any bit because this is going to be delicious banana bread. so we've got it all out and even. Just put that to the side, and there you have it. So now I'm going to put it in for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to turn the oven down to 170 and chuck it in. Okay, so it's been about an hour. I'm going to check the banana bread now. Yep, it's ready. So I'm just going to take it out, put it in the cooling rack, and then we'll come back for the test taste. How does it smell?
It's flat.
Oh, very good.
Now I'm ready to eat it.
Now the cake has been sitting for 5 minutes. It's ready to taste. So I've got Lando here to help me taste it. I'm just going to cut a slice. And look at that heat coming out. Ooh, yum. Look at that inside.
Yummy.
Yum. Okay, we'll both taste it together. Hey, Lando?
Lando.
I'm just licking it. I like it.
Okay.
I like
We can just cut
I
some
like
stuff
the
out.
taste of it, by the way.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good.
Yep. See? The licking was so bad, wasn't it?
Time for tasting after all that cutting. Okay, let's taste it. Delicious.
Yum.
Yum.
Thanks for making it, Mummy.
That's alright. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video.
What? Another fun video. Maybe a salad one.
Maybe.
Maybe a salad one. Maybe we'll do a salad one next time.
Okay.